Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the colors and style of your crosshairs on PubG Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the main dashboard, tap the up arrow button on the bottom right to open the menu, and then select Settings. In Settings, select Scope from the right sidebar. You can change the color and style of your crosshair for each different scope. Change which scope you are customizing with the tabs up top. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PubG tips and tricks.